In 2021, a 26-year-old from Melbourne sold his car, an actual working Toyota Corolla, to buy hundreds of Hot Wheels. Not even the premium ones, just tiny plastic cars you can find at gas stations, Target, or stuck under your nephew's bed. His logic? They're like physical NFTs. His name? Call him Jordan, because he wanted to stay anonymous after people on Reddit called him the Elon Musk of die-cast doom. Jordan believed the Hot Wheels treasure hunt series, rare cars hidden in random packs, were the next crypto boom. Some did sell for $200, $300, even $1,000 on eBay, but most worth about the price of a bag of stale chips. Still, Jordan was all in. He liquidated everything except his gaming PC and moved back in with his parents. Then he started bulk buying cases. Dozens of them, from collectors, from store employees, from one guy in Ohio who knew a guy at Mattel. In total, Jordan amassed over 3,000 cars. He stored them in clear boxes, tracked them on an Excel sheet labeled Wheelconomy, and even coded a Python script to calculate appreciation curves based on model, year, and packaging errors. Yes, he invented an algorithm for Hot Wheels. And the craziest part, he started giving TEDx-style talks in forums about tangible collectibles as resistance to digital decay. One guy in the comments said, "I came for cars, I stayed for the post-capitalist Hot Wheels manifesto." It's easy to laugh, but Jordan wasn't totally wrong. During the pandemic, Hot Wheels became weirdly hot. In 2020, one rare treasure hunt model, the 1995 Camaro convertible, sold for $1,500. Some collectors even built entire YouTube channels around finding them in the wild. It was part toy nostalgia, part cardboard casino. Retail packs sell for about $1.25, but some variants, they flip for 20x, 50x, even 100x, especially if they have factory misprints, rubber tires, or just a vibe. Jordan's logic was that scarcity plus nostalgia plus virality equals goldmine. Unfortunately, his math had one small flaw: most Hot Wheels aren't rare. They're just small and plastic and mass-produced in factories that don't believe in retirement. Jordan's Wheelconomy portfolio peaked at an estimated $24,000 in theoretical value. But when he tried to liquidate, silence. Turns out no one wants to buy 200 identical Dodge Chargers with slightly different flame decals. Not even Dodge. The final blow came when his storage unit flooded during a storm, boxes soaked, blisters warped, tires rusted. He posted a video titled, "I lost everything," to Mattel. While you're still paying off that $400 couch from IKEA, someone out there is trying to insure 3,000 tiny cars against water damage. Life is balance, or madness. Probably both. But here's the thing, Jordan tapped into a real, bizarre truth of modern finance: emotional arbitrage. The idea that you can profit by understanding how people feel about things, not just what they're worth. That's how Beanie Babies, Pokemon, and yes, even meme stocks explode. He saw Hot Wheels as nostalgia futures. Unfortunately, the market didn't agree. Still, if you can combine scarcity, culture, and community, you've got a shot. Just maybe, don't sell your car. Speaking of financial chaos, in 2022, a guy in Japan bought 400 Tamagotchis, hoping to resell them during the 25th anniversary. He ended up in Tamagotchi jail, a real thing in his head. A woman in Texas bought 18 vintage VHS copies of Titanic, convinced they'd be worth thousands. Now she uses them as doorstops. And in Italy, someone spent 12,000 euros on Lego Star Wars sets, and then glued them all together, which is like buying Bitcoin and printing it on a napkin. So what did we learn? Never underestimate how far nostalgia can go when mixed with disposable income and internet hype. But also, don't park your financial future in a 1:64 scale model. Because obviously, the stock market doesn't stand a chance against a mint-condition 1999 Plymouth Barracuda, unless it's underwater. Hot Wheels are the new bonds, said nobody with a mortgage. Send this to your weirdest friend, and remember, invest in bananas responsibly.